If you're considering using TVCMALL, there are a few things you need to know before jumping in, especially if you're comparing it to other similar services out there. Stay tuned because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this is the right choice for you. Let's dive right in, starting with one of the biggest factors, product variety. TVCMALL is a global online marketplace offering a wide range of electronics, gadgets, home products, and more. But here's the catch. While they boast a huge selection, it's important to check the quality of the products before purchasing. You might find yourself going back and forth between TVCMALL and other competitors like AliExpress or eBay, who also offer competitive prices. The difference lies in the customer experience and product consistency, so it's always good to compare customer reviews before making your decision. Next thing to keep in mind is their shipping policies. Unlike other platforms, TVCMALL has a unique approach when it comes to delivery. Shipping times can vary greatly depending on where you're located, with some buyers reporting long wait times, particularly if you're ordering from overseas. This is something to definitely consider if you need your products quickly. Compared to Amazon or Best Buy, TVCMALL's delivery might take longer, but their prices tend to be more affordable, making it a trade-off for some. The return policy is another key thing to know. TVCMALL offers a return policy on certain items, but it's not always as straightforward as it seems. Unlike larger stores like Amazon, who have clear and easy return procedures, TVCMALL's process can be a bit more complex. Some buyers have reported issues with their return requests, so it's important to read through their terms and conditions carefully before committing to a purchase. Now let's talk about pricing and deals. TVCMALL's pricing is one of its standout features, often much lower than its competitors. However, there's a trade-off when it comes to discounts and deals. While you can find some great prices, the deal of the day offers might not always be as good as they seem. Sometimes you'll notice the same products being listed for a higher price just before the deal is offered. So, always do a little extra research to make sure the deal you're seeing is actually worth it. The customer service experience is something to consider as well. While TVCMALL has been improving in this department, it still doesn't have the same level of support as big names like Amazon or Walmart. Some users have experienced delays in receiving responses to inquiries or issues with tracking orders. If customer service is a top priority for you, it's something you may want to weigh when deciding between TVCMALL and its competitors. Now, the website experience itself. TVCMALL's website is user-friendly, but there are some navigation issues, especially if you're searching for a specific product. It's not as refined as some larger platforms like Amazon or eBay, and sometimes it can take longer to find what you're looking for. Additionally, there can be inconsistent product descriptions or missing details, which could lead to confusion when ordering. The payment options available are another consideration. TVCMALL offers several methods, but in some regions, you might be limited in terms of secure payment options. If you're used to platforms like PayPal or credit card guarantees with other sites, you may want to double-check the payment methods before purchasing to make sure you're comfortable with their system. Lastly, if you're wondering if TVCMALL is worth it, try before you buy. The great thing is, TVCMALL offers a free trial, which is an awesome way to dip your toes in without fully committing. And if you're looking to get the best offer possible, make sure to click the first link in the description below. This link will give you access to the best free trial for TVCMALL, along with some exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. So, to wrap it up, TVCMALL offers some great products at attractive prices, but it's important to know the ins and outs before diving in. If you're ready to give it a shot and want to try TVCMALL for yourself, click that first link below to get your free trial and the best deal available. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to experience everything TVCMALL has to offer.